This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing for Fujitsu General, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand uses aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. They use direct spark ignition, which is louder and less reliable than hot surface ignition systems. The FF92ST models are basic single-stage gas furnaces with a 92% AFUE efficiency and a fixed-speed blower motor, while the FF92SV models have a variable speed blower motor. They are less expensive, but the guarantee on the heat exchanger is not very good when compared to other brands. The FF95ST models are a better option as they have a 95% combustion efficiency and a lifetime guarantee on the heat exchanger, while the FF95SV models have a variable speed blower motor. The FF96TV models are premium two-stage gas furnaces with a fixed speed blower motor. The FF98MV models are their entry in the ultimate category, with a modulating gas control, a variable speed blower, and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. The FF98MV models include a 10-year furnace replacement guarantee in case of heat exchanger failure. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.